Are you frustrated because you see me or other Asana users showing their accounts with multiple teams, but you can't figure out how to add more teams to your Asana account? I see this problem all the time with my clients, and I made the exact same mistake when I first signed up for my Asana account as well. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to fix it so that you see that plus button beside Teams and you'll be able to organize your projects instead of weeding through that long list you probably have right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the best Asana experience, and you're going to love how streamlined and structured your Asana account will become. Hi, I'm Samantha, here to help you organize and streamline your business operations so that you can save time, mental energy, and focus on what you love to do. Today, I'm going to help you solve a common Asana challenge: what to do if you can't add more teams. So first, let's talk about why you're facing this limitation. So if you signed up for Asana and only have the ability to create a single team with that one list of projects under it, you're using what's called an Asana Workspace. So this is a simplified version of Asana. While it might work fine for personal use or very basic setups, it's limiting for businesses, especially if you're looking to grow or organize multiple areas of your work. So you're missing out on the ability to create multiple teams for different areas of your business, like marketing, operations, or product development. You're missing out on better project grouping, and you're missing out on a scalable system that grows with your business. So what you actually want is called an Asana organization. This version of Asana is designed for businesses, even small ones, and offers much more flexibility. So the reason you're stuck in a workspace comes down to the email you used when you signed up. So if you signed up for Asana with a personal email like Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo, Asana automatically assigns you to a workspace. So to access the full-featured Asana, you need to switch to an Asana organization, which requires using a business email address, one that's tied to your domain name, like hello@yourbusiness.com. So switching to an organization gives you the full benefits and organizational abilities of Asana, and I highly recommend doing so. So let's get into Asana and I'll show you how to switch from a workspace to an organization. All right, so I have signed up with a personal Asana account to show you what this looks like. So you'll see here, there is no option to add a new team, right? So that's probably what you are seeing. So first, if you don't have a business email address, then you will need to set that up before doing the following steps. But if you already have a business email address, then here is what to do. So within your Asana account, head to your photo or your initials over here and click the drop down. And then you are going to go down and select Settings. And then you are going to head over to Account. And then here, it gives you under Manage Emails, it gives you the option to add a new email. So you're going to click here, and this is where you're going to enter your business email. So I only have one business email address, so like with one domain name. So I'm unable to do this part because it's already linked to the actual Asana account that I use. So I'll just cancel here, but you're going to enter your email address here, the one that's attached to your domain name. So like hello@yourbusiness.com. And then you're going to exit out of there. And you're going to click this drop down again where your photo or your initials are. And this time you are going to click Admin Console. So this is going to open a new tab. And here you're inside your Asana Admin Console. You're going to click Settings. And then here, the third option here, you'll see Convert to Organization. So you're going to click here. And then you can read over this, but as long as you followed the previous steps and added your email, then this convert button will be active and able to click on. So what you're going to do is click that convert option and then follow the steps after that. Okay, and then once you have converted to your organization, you can create teams based on your business structure. So for example, so now you'll see this plus button here, you can add a new team. So you can add an operations team, and I already have one, but you can add operations, you can add marketing, client projects, etc. And then you can go in and organize your projects into the teams that are most appropriate. So take your long list of projects that you have under your one team, assuming that you do, like I did, and move them into the appropriate teams that they go under. So anything related to marketing would go in your marketing team, anything within your operations would go into your operations, and so on. And then you will have something that looks like this. Of course, it's going to be different for your business. Feel free to play around with it. And as I said, it will evolve as your business changes and as you get used to what you like and what you prefer in Asana as time goes on. So if setting up an organization feels overwhelming, I've got you covered. My Asana Essentials Toolkit not only helps you systemize your business, but also includes tips for optimizing Asana. It's the ultimate toolkit to simplifying your operations and saving time. So you can head to samanthacasbrick.com/AE to grab it now and start building a business that runs smoothly and efficiently. So once you've transitioned your workspace to an organization, watch this video next to learn how small businesses are using Asana in 2025. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.